Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So, what do we have for you today? We have a collaboration and it's called the Wood Entertaining Decorating Ideas Collab, and that's hosted by ggfaison from Loving Home Decor. So, the co host of this collab is Juani of Juani's House and Shawnee on the Spot, and I hope I said that right. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and head on over there so that you can see how we all decorate with wood. So jumping into the video, I decided to make two wall hanging pieces to place on the entrance of my doorway as you come in the house. So all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's jump into the video. These pieces here, these two stir sticks, I purchased those at Walmart and they were like 3 for 97 cents. So I thought that was a great buy. We're going to go ahead and stain all of the pieces in this burnt umber and water mixture. It helps, it acts like a stain and dries quickly. The top of the decor pieces, both of them are going to have two different kinds of decor. One of them has a leaf that says welcome and the other one says gather together. Now, at some point at the Dollar Tree, they had these wooden frames. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be painting those frames in a chestnut color that I bought from Apple Barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. Once we had the frames all painted, I moved that over to the side to dry. Then I decided, since the welcome over the sleeve was raised along with some other wooden leaves that were on top of it, I decided to go back and touch those up with the chestnut paint also. Once we were done with that, we went ahead and we placed that on the side to dry. Here is one of the stickers that I placed inside of the frame. So now I'm going to show you what I'm doing here as I place this one in the frame. That's a sticker, and like I said, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. We're going to clean off the glass. Now be careful with that because the glass from the Dollar Tree frames are pretty thin and I don't want anybody to get hurt. Once we clean that off, we're going to place the cardstock paper that I just cut out from excess stock paper that I had just to line that frame. And that's what I'll be doing here. And then we're going to use that sticker that I have in my hand to place in the center. So here is the backing of the frame, and we're going to glue, just so that the paper doesn't move, the cardstock to that cardboard. So here we're going to go ahead and peel off that message from that sticker, and I believe it says I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me, and the scripture verse. We're going to center that, and then we're going to place all these pieces back in the frame so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so we have everything inside of that frame. Look how beautiful that looks. Now we move on to the next step. Now when placing the items down as we're gluing them to the stir stick, we're gonna do this one step at a time so that we don't get confused on where things go. So we figure out the placement, we use a little bit of wood glue, we're just gonna use a dot of the hot glue on each end just to kind of hold it in place. And then once we glue that down, we don't wanna move it until everything sets. So don't these bows look absolutely beautiful? I decided to put on both the pieces this beautiful bow. So that's what I'm doing here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue that leaf that says welcome to the very top of this wooden piece. And now everything is just gonna have to sit aside and set for it to dry as we move on to the next piece. Didn't this come out absolutely beautiful? I think it's gorgeous. This is the second piece. As you can see, I placed the bow on there. At the very top it says gather together. Now we move these over to the side and I'll bring them back as soon as they're dry. Now we'll be using a floral foam on the top and the bottom piece, and we're going to decorate with some Dollar Tree florals. I am so excited and so happy with the results of how this piece came out. It looks absolutely beautiful. Here are both pieces together. Now let's go on to the reveal. Now this is where I decided to hang those pieces. I removed what was hanging there previously, and I think that this looks absolutely beautiful in the entrance of my home. I am very happy with it. I love the scripture verses in the frame. I hope that you like this decor piece also. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can see everyone else's creations. I'll see you in the next one.